How to block Roblox on your router. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your web browser. Then head over to this IP address, or if that doesn't work, head over to this IP address. Okay, once you're done with that, log in with your router's administrator username and password. It's usually admin for both the username and the password, but if it's not, it probably says it at the back of your router. Then the second thing that you need to do is find website blocking. Parental control, here it is. So go to gateway, parental control. Different modems are gonna have different web pages. So the website blocking is probably gonna be under parental control. So here we can see already some, I guess these are blocked by default, the keywords and the domains. Now here we can add any domain that we want. What we need to do is get rid of these domains. So let me just open Notepad. So these are all of the domains that we want to block. So let's go one by one. Boom, add domain. Then let's go to the second one. So here is the blocked domain list now. Now let's apply, and there you go. Now for some routers, you need to actually restart them. We'll just turn them off and then turn them on again before the new rules can be applied. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.